See big unit a go around there? Yeah. Up and run.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? 876 by birth, as I don't know. Now, just a quick update before we get into this video. We're gonna have some slight changes coming to the channel. Zine. Now, the vlog them are gonna be a little bit different. My plan for be a bit more interactive, the way how I do the vlog them or something. I not really dash with the whole me driving go places or none of that. I still I go none of that and stuff, you know. But just look out for some different type of vlog as well. Things wanna use to, things wanna be nasip on YouTube too, and all of them. So they are nothing really that different from me. You get what I say? Just that me I gonna be, as I say, a bit more interactive. I might wake up in the morning, show no what go on. Them look at something there. You see me certain places where I go, certain little thing me I gonna vlog it. My day I cook some food, all them little thing them I gonna vlog it and them some of them. I just plan for be a little bit more interactive with you know. Alright. Now I have this whole idea which part I actually want the channel for reach, and I just ask you for just bear with me a little bit while you know I go through that transition here and get it on the level there. Alright, trust me, when you can still expect the same bag of excitement, the same bag of chatting, the same bag of everything, just times 10 or maybe 100 times more. You get me? So I just say yo, I just tell you about it and them look at some of the and the next thing, I have some vlog on my other channel them. I always send you to go over there go watch, but is it true now go over there go watch them? What I do is I take them from that channel, like I block them from that channel, and I start post a few of them one. Some of them is up to like a year old. So, you know, things no might be that way, but I go to them for watch same way. You understand while me transition to which part I actually want to forget. You see me? Now, that video is a really, really long video, and I don't want to chat out the video because I already had the 2 hours worth of chatting on the video, as you can see. You get what I say? But what I say to you is, what I want to get, the point what I try to make is, we're going to change the direction of the channel, and I just ask you for the support same way. You don't know the thing, go big up on yourself. Yeah man, we're going to the video right now. Bless.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, we're currently in the vicinity of like Central Kingston. You know where you find Tel Aviv, them place there? Yeah, we are headed out to East Kingston, but that's not going to be our destination, people. Right now, we're actually on a journey to St. Thomas. Yeah, so, I know I have all heap of St. Thomas videos. You get what I say? But I want a little bit different because the one we are started right here, so, and we are taking it all the way to St. Thomas, people. We actually are going to one little community called Seafort of St. Thomas. Yeah. So that's how we are going right now. You get what I say? So brace yourself, you know. That one you are going to be, it going to have a little length to it. It going to be a long one. Alright? Yeah, even though St. Thomas is not really far from Kingston still, but it going to be a long one. You get what I say? So you know we are going to pass through out the east there, so, and we are going to travel through Bull Bay. And I don't know what the whole works already. As I know, Bull Bay stretch from over in a St. Andrew to over in a St. Thomas. You get what I say? Yeah man, and we're going to pass through Albion, Yalas, Marant Bay. When we reach a Marant Bay roundabout, we're going to take the left, I think, and go up a Seafort. You understand? Yeah, there has been some more improvements to the road condition out there, so in a St. Thomas. So I know that one should be interesting. It's what time it is now? It's midweek right now. Yeah, it's midweek and it's just after midday. You understand? Yeah. It's about 12:30 and you know, the sky kind of look a bit overcast and all of that, but looking out of St. Thomas side, it kind of look clear. To the south coast kind of look a bit clear and thing, you know. So I could see how it go now. I could check all the temperature. Hold on there. Hey Siri. What's the temperature like? What's the temperature like, Siri?
It's about 86 degrees outside.
Alright people, so 86 degrees outside as I just heard from Siri. She'd move a little bit lazy. I don't know if she never eaten a breakfast or what. You see me? I don't know, but yeah, lunchtime, you know, so if she never eaten a breakfast, well, she need breakfast and lunch. You see me? So yeah, mama people, it's midweek. Yeah, it's actually a Wednesday afternoon right now. And I don't know, the road kind of seem a little bit hectic, like me I see more than the usual traffic for your afternoon. I don't know why. We are approaching like a holiday season still. As you know, we're in the little Easter time. Yeah, and this weekend supposed to be what is again? Good Friday and them something there. Yeah, and then you have Easter Monday, so it's gonna be a long weekend. We don't know in Jamaican culture, every day, every minute we have holiday, right? Yeah. So you see what I say? So I don't know if that's why the road kind of feel that way, like seeing that way. Because from me drive. From a drive out and I reach on the road, I kind of notice a whole heap of little traffic there on the road. You get what I say? Yeah, man. And people, I roll with my niece, them again. Yeah, man. 2 of them I roll with again. You understand? Yeah. 1 is 6 and 1 is 2. Alright? So, you don't know if you hear the talking and so on. So, my niece and you know, I drive. So, you know, them young, so I have to attend to them too. Alright? So, forgive me if I get a bit distracted from time to time throughout the video, alright? You know the thing go. Baby them said we, see? Yeah. Alright, my people. So right about now, you know. Right about now. Alright, right now over there out you can call it say east in a sense, cause them area you know you have Dunkirk. You see me? Right that's a Dunkirk people. Yeah man, you know about Kirk? Yeah, you hear about Dunkirk? Yeah. Dangerous gang them gang, you know people. Why I make it fool you know? It's been a while still, you know, Kirk kind of hold it down and them little thing they still in people, but yo, don't be fooled, you know, yo, you see me, them places are dangerous, alright? But as me ever said, you have nice people live out here. Hold on, for the right hand side, what go on over there, so police spot check, look like some little thing did go on, cause the crowd and people are looking, yeah. Yeah man, something happened over there, man, police are hold on for them, man. Alright, you don't know people, just obey the police officers them. You don't know once you see them and stop you and thing, just obey them and thing. On the left there's a Vauxhall High School. Alright, watch your prayer now, I just want to take the time out for shout out each and everyone who watch this video right now, see? Everybody. Oh, I so wind down the window so we can hear what going out the road, see? Alright, why not wind it down now, though? Not like a the AC. Hey, me are going to some cool breeze from outside, alright? Alright. Yeah man people, remember me telling us we have company out of I travel with me, see? Alright, yeah. We even need 2 bottles of water, you know. Yeah, we need to stop and get 2 bottles of water. Maybe find a little shop. Or if I see somebody that sell on the roadside. You don't know what Jamaica thing already, right? Alright. Yeah. Watch it now, because I need to big up the people, you know. Alright, so people, everybody who watch that video, may I tell you now, big up on yourself. I appreciate each and every one of you. You understand? I dear one them, hold on for a second. See new people them over here, big up on yourself. You get what I say? People, my subscriber count grows steadily. You understand? It a move people. You get what I say? Yeah, it no reach nowhere yet, but me appreciate the growth. You understand? Yeah man. Me appreciate the growth when me see people. Me not go around the corner. You get me? Yeah man. I like the growth when me see my people. I'm not telling you no lie. I love the growth. So I just want big on up. All I new people them. I just want big on up. You get what I say? Yeah man. I don't like biking up people. But yeah. Yeah my people. So I just want big on up new people. Anywhere in the world where I watch from. Whether they're right us up on the rock. like myself, yeah. You see me, whether you're there, yeah, they like myself. Big up yourself. You get what me I say? Yeah. Me appreciate, you know. You see what me I say? Yo, I have to take some time for big up, you know. Because I know my feel, you know, when I see new people, them, and when I see how you engaging, you know. Yeah, man. When I see how engaging you is, you know, me have to say, yo, Jaja know. Yeah, man, I love you, man. Everyone I want to big up. Whether you're there in North America, Canada, USA, South America, anywhere down there, so anywhere in our Caribbean. Yo, a man reach out to me. Say I'm originally come from St. Anne, but Antigua I live right now. You understand? I mean, know enough people from Jamaica live other countries in the Caribbean. You have people with their Cayman. Oh my gosh, not to mention that. You have people all over St. Vincent. Yes, the people over there part of Vincent, you know. Yeah, man. You see me? And you have all people who watch from St. Vincent, we are not Jamaican too. Yeah, man, so big up the people, them, man. Big up the people, them, Aruba. All the people in Bermuda right there, so. Yo, big up on yourself, man. Yo, I can't stop saying how much I love and appreciation I have for you. Honestly. You see me? Alright, this look like a little traffic jam right there to people. Normally you don't have traffic, you know. Normally, I don't know if I something I turn. But as me telling you, the road kind of busy to the people. The road kind of busy to them. I get a little busy feeling from the road, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, watch a little stall here. Because I used to go to school, you know, so I'm going to stop at a little stall here and buy the water. Hold on, I wonder if nobody did it. Nobody know it. Hold on. I go a moment. You have water. Take it two of them now, please. Alright, thank you, mommy. Alright, cool. Yeah, my mommy, alright, bless up, yeah? Alright. That school that me used to go, you know. Alright, bless up. Yeah, man, big up the vendor, them, man. I say, man, I grab 2 bottles of water, people, because I say, roll it beneath them, man, you know? Might get thirsty, so grab a little water for them, man. Think plus myself, they want some water. So, now, you ready for the water? Alright, when you're ready, you tell me, alright? Kai, you want water? Give Kai some of the water here. And fix the seatbelt properly, see, buckle up properly. Take care of the water, put back the part there around here, alright? Yeah. Yeah, my people, as you know how there's a Rockfort, you see me? Yeah. Do a video on LiQWYD here and people them love it. Yeah, people them love it, you see me? Yeah, man, East Kingston people, you get what I say? Yeah, man, Rockfort these people. As you know, you have Nazwad Road on the left there, so one heap of place, people, one heap of place. You understand? It's a KFC out there up on the left hand side. It's a KFC here, you don't dine, you know. There's no seat for dining, alright? Yeah. No seat for dining. Alright? One time we bring somebody go up there. And the person who come from that side here, you know. Sports day go on. Run, little girl, run! Sports day go on, people. Sports day go on. You know Jamaica. You remember them some here? Yeah, man, sports day. Alright. So you ever bring the person go to the KFC and them not come from that side here. Them come from the countryside. But them actually have visit from overseas and thing, you know? And them say to me, say, but wait, where they see them there? I say, yeah man, the KFC and I don't see, man. Them say you're too light. What really go on? I say it make, I say yeah, them I say, no man, you're too light. I say, yeah man, I say it make. Them never believe my people. You see me? Yeah man, the only KFC where you not have no seat for dining, you understand? Only KFC where there's no dining area. You see me? Yeah. I know when I ask me why in the comment section, you know, I know. Oh yeah man. back to the new people them. Yo, big up on yourself, man. I'm not telling no lie. The feeling I have it overwhelming. I feel good to see so much new people and how we engaging. You understand? Yeah, man. I appreciate it, man. You get what I say? People, me personally, I love drive out, you know. I love drive, especially on the coastline. I love them type of drive there. You get what I say? You get guys some? I love them type of drive the people. Alright? You don't want any? Okay. Yeah, I love them type of drive the people. But you see when I can share this with other people, I'm say other people love it too. Trust me, the feeling is overwhelming. You good? You good? Alright. The feeling is overwhelming, guys. Overwhelming. So, I'm glad for know what you love the thing too. And I appreciate the support. And just continue to click like on the video them. Continue to share the video. Continue to comment. All of the good things them want to do. And if you want to watch away, I watch it from long time too. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Alright? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. All of the new people them. You see what I say? See all of my old time people them now. Regulars them. Whether you're from day one, when Jamaica love say Wappy kill fill up. Yeah, man. Yeah, hey, me I tell you about some people where they are a long time from me, about 50 subscribers, you know, or less, you know. You know me I say, man. There's some people when I put up all my video, you know, man. The video them I get all. Why if 1 week pass and you get 20 views, you get enough. Yeah, man. I tell you about my long time people, them, man. You get what I say? This is a cement factory on the left hand side, yeah? Just in case you wonder. Yeah, this is a cement factory, alright? Yeah. Yeah, so the Carib cement come from. Alright? Yeah. So yeah, man. All of the long time people, them. I don't want to start the name calling, you know. Here we go on. I'm going to pick up some of you, but further down, when we reach LiQWYD in a St. Thomas, we'll be good now. See it? When we run out of things for chat about, we'll be good up, alright? Yeah, man, them time we're going to be good up, man. I call on the name, sorry. When we run out of things for chat about, I call on the name. Doug in a St. Thomas, hopefully remember. Alright? Yeah. Alright, people, so watch it pre now. A whole heap of people on the channel, you know. Alright? And remember, I just do one type of videos. I just do video when I drive round. You know, you want to call it driving tour. Whatever you want to call it, you understand? Alright? Yeah, the video them, some of them, most of them have a little difference, but pretty much you know what to expect once you tune in. Once you tune in, you're going to see me a drive go somewhere, you're going to hear me a chat. Pretty much, alright? Now, people, what am I going to tell you now, see? You might watch a video and you enjoy it, but somebody else might not enjoy it. That might not be their favorite video. Some of them try to do, different style of video for different type of people. When I just start the channel, I used to do the straight music. And me personally did love that. Because I like the music. You get what I say? I like the music then. I never used to even play reggae music. Like, I never did play them type of music that we hear in the background. Never did play it. And when I actually start playing the music, I remember somebody comment. I don't remember who. It was a long time viewer still. You understand? Long time. Way before me even get monetized. Long time, people. And the man was like, yo, I love the video, brother. I love the scenery. Everything. Big me up. And then the man said, but the music is terrible. The man said the music are hot in ears. The man said he have to turn down the sound to watch the video. I'm saying watch the whole of the video. So you must know him love it for true. The man said he have to turn down the sound to watch the whole of the video. So clearly he never really liked them type of music there, you get me? It was like some little alternative music. Foreign music. Yeah, foreign music. I best way to describe it. Foreign music. Or even white people music. Yeah. Alright? Just so you can get an understanding. That was it. Alright? Man said never like it. So I say, alright. Start looking some music where we in our culture could relate to. Alright? I'm going to start play them. And I mean, it made sense. Because if I am watching a video within the Caribbean, I am expecting to hear, you know, I expect to get a Caribbean vibe. You get what I say? If I'm in America, I mean I watch certain little things, I expect to hear rap on them thing there. You get what I say? But if I'm in the Caribbean, I say tropical climate. You know what I mean? I expect a Caribbean vibe. One of the things that create a Caribbean vibe is the music. You get what I say? Especially a video like this where you can't really feel the breeze or you understand? The music I was set the tone of the video. You get what I say? And create that little vibe, help create that little vibe there. So I change it and I think it was a good thing. You see it? Yeah, man, I think it was a good thing, people. You know? Yeah. But personally, as I say, sorry, me did a 10 to minutes. As I said them there, so forgive me, but kind of get distracted from time to time. See? But personally, as I say, me, if all I make a big truck come through people, because you know every unit them, you know. Yeah. And as you know, St. Thomas known for them, it's something, a big unit, be a big vehicle and thing, alright? Yeah. So yeah, man, as I say now, people, personally, me like the type of music I play. Like alternative music and something. Don't get me wrong, I love reggae music, you know, people. I love dancehall music. You get what I say? Yeah. But, you know, you have a time, more time, you just want, you know, create, you know, your mood. Especially me, I drive out, I like them music that kind of make me more relaxed, you see it? On the left, over, I saw Shoutouts, people. Yeah. People, look on the coastline, look on the water. Yo, the water blue and pretty. So now, look on the water out there, sir. You see it? You see it? Yo, it's pretty. No, the water pretty, people. Maybe for the sunlight or what? I want the camera showing it how it really look, cause yo, the water look good. Bull beer out there, some people. Bull beer, yeah. You see when the road down out there, say it got nice. I said it's nice every video. I'm supposed to tired for hear me say that. Out here got nice. Anyways, yeah, man. So when I drive, I like to hear certain type of music, I like to relax and things still. You see me? So I'm going to give all of this long speech here for telling you, say, yo, here we go on. You see, if from time to time, you watch a video and you realize, say, yo, the music kind of different or whatever kind of different, just know, say, me I cater to the needs of other people as well. I like myself too. You get what I say? So, yeah, man, I like people. Fruits are something that exists and it's good for you, but not every fruit you like. You get me? You're not going to like every fruit. You get me? So, I just say it set up, see? So, I'm just telling you that. Alright, so if you see from time to time, I saw it go. From time to time I change up the thing them a little. Yeah, I just saw it go. But feel free to left in the comments same way. You understand? If you listen, if you watch a video or whatever, you feel like the video is trash, tell me say it's trash. You get what I say? Yeah, cause we not be the fool around here either. You understand? Yeah. We ain't gonna play stupid either. You get what I say? But they don't know the thing as me ever say, I just feel be respectful, see? Yeah, man, just be respectful with it whenever. Yeah, you see what I say? Yeah, man. So I'm just telling you that. So if you see like a difference, just know, say, yo, yeah, we just cater to others. Alright? Just the same way when you watch it, I'm chat off my mouth, I'm make you laugh. Some people, them want to hear. Hold on, watch a big truck here. Hold on, people. Calm down, boss man, because boss man behind me, I slow down and he must swing around. Yeah, man, we have to watch them thing up on the road, people, because big unit them. See one more, yeah? Big unit them a travel through, people. That's how things set up. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Yeah, my people, so as I say, juvenile with the ball, give yourself, you know, watch yourself. Yeah, man, some people, if you see little changes, just know the thing go. Yeah, man, we just, you know, please other people as well, too. So you know it's something go, alright? Cool. Alright, people, so alright, you know, as I say, we're out here in the Bull Day section, yeah. I don't never like that speech, you know. You don't want to hear me chat the bag of foolishness. You know? I think I don't know the style. I know the style, you know. I don't want them to comment, you know. I laugh off on the face, you know, but I don't comment. So I could get to it now. Alright, so then I bull be here, you know, and as I say, I'm going to go to St. Thomas, one little place named Seafoot. Whole heap of little changes to the road, as you can see. Whole heap of little place pave, whole heap of little detour, whole heap of little things. So we just have to open we eye on the road and look good on the road to see exactly what I want. Because I'm telling the people, yeah, when the road work go on, you have to just open up the eye, you know. So it's set up. You see me? Yeah, man. But as I say, what do you be the reason with one of my brethren and him I say, boy, him live out there too. Alright, out there so him live. The man I say, yo, him appreciate the road work, but boy, that take too long. I say a long time now. One time I see somebody comment and say probably about 3 years now this a road they are built for. And the part height, you know. Boy, I guess they're doing stuff. But you see when you really not see the work, cause like when them do the drainage, them and them do the work, you not see nothing, you know. But them do things. But when you not see it, boy, me I tell you, it just left if you complain. Cause every day you wake up and drive and on the same road you look and the same dust you breathe in. All heap of things you have to say, Jano, what really are going on? You get me? Yeah, man, my people. People, man, drink a one juice too, you know. So they might wet the road to people. Yeah. Road are wet too, you know. This is where the people them out there complain about, you know. I say, boy, wetting on the road, them want it to be more frequent. You know, yeah. And chuck man, you know, man. I feed them world, you know, man. See, man just shut out in front of chuck in front of sitting, you know, man. Yo. But I like this way I go on still, you know. Wetting the road and make sure so you know them try keep down the dust and thing. One brother, live out here, you know, man. If you say film car dirty, you know, man. I'll always say dirtier than that still, but watch out one here. Where him I go? And car come. Watch him. Road swine, you know, man. Watch them, watch them. All this are one outside of me or so. Why? Yeah, we like this still people, road are wet and thing, we like this. People on the sign, covered with dust. Serious, man. Why, those are serious people, it's real. Trust me. Road work, I don't know, play a thing, you know, man. No plaything, people. Then you see the side of the hill as well. You see the hillside? Dig it down because I might build the road. There. No, we're not so reach. We're just at the beginning of the journey, okay? Alright? Yeah. Well, we're not gonna take very long, alright? Alright. Yeah, my people, so you have parts of the road to where them paved to and something in there, you know? Yeah, man, now the whole of the stretch looks up. You have parts where you definitely see improvements. And them something there too. You have them part there too, my people. So yeah. See, and this I want a little nice piece too. Where them pave, you know? Yeah, man. And I'm gonna pave over this up on the left hand side too. Yeah, so it's not that bad, my people. It's not that bad. St. Thomas, you not go on. You not come along. You not come along, St. Thomas. You not come along. Well, this is supposed to St. Andrew. You don't think you go over to St. Thomas yet. Yeah. So I still bull there with it. So, but you know, let me refer to the whole of that road work here as the St. Thomas leg. You know? At the highway and things. So yeah. So I need a big unit here. And them a cut the bridge. Them a go build the bridge. Send we go cross in a people. To the right, yeah, through the hill, them cut it through the hill. So instead of we go around on the road, they say them a go send we go people. And I think it's a good look, you know, it make the journey a little bit shorter too. Because the road there when you go around it, I tell the people it kinda take long and right now road is very bad. Yeah man, road is very bad. So straight ahead in front of we have the bridge, you know. What do you them that pave it? I don't know if them start sending people panic now, but I have a video where they pave it. It's the video before this. Because I don't publish a video yet, you know, but by the time I publish this, that video they are going to publish already. So the last St. Thomas video where you watch, yeah, they that pave it when me a drive. Wow, you know, say, they that pave it when me that come out here too. You get me? So I don't know if it done or if it's still a pave, but we soon reach it. We're there right there, so on the right, so we see. A big unit here. Yo, be a big truck, you know, people. Yeah, man, be a big truck. Yep. Alright, them not send nobody up there yet, because I still see things are forward from way out. So. But now go there. But look to the right. See the bridge there? Right through the hillside you're gone. You see it? Yeah, that cut the journey by a lot. You know, because that was one straight shot instead of we are going around. Big unit. Yeah. Hey, if you're afraid of truck, you know, I tell you know. If you're afraid of truck, you don't stay far from the road there, yeah. Or from ever since St. Thomas Road stay, so because I say a whole heap of quarry out here, so yeah. But look on the road, look on the bridge, people. Chop it straight through the hillside. See to the right? Yeah. That's gonna be it soon. And it yeah. Pavement that one, not done yet still. And look up the people. Paving left for do. But them are go on. Can't wait for when it done, people. And we just chop it right there, so. Alright people, so we are about now for go over in our parish. St. Thomas. Yeah man, it's a cross over the bridge here. St. Thomas that. So this is St. Andrew, so the sign up and we left us say, welcome to St. Thomas. Alright my people, so now then in the parish of St. Thomas, still in the community of Bull Bay. Still in the community of Bull Bay people. Yeah. But different parish, you get me? Yeah man. As we say, a long time out of the road I stay, so you know, with the truck them and everything, you know. Cause that's one of the things we used to mash up the road out there too. You understand, the big truck them. Yeah. And a whole heap of big truck come too. So when you drive on the road, you have to know what you have to expect them things. Expect them big truck your people. So them a road they stay, cause the quarry them and them thing there, you get me? Yeah. Time is a little go slow vibe, you know? Yeah man. Che man? Hey, you have to take time, you know man, cause it's a rock, you know? Got you the road bad? It's a rock, brother. Watch those man with a jump off. Wow. Oh, I'm going around with people, but we're going to wait a little bit there. Make sure you can see good either way, you know. You know, I'm going to go back up on another big chunk. See him here? Yeah man, him can't wait. Him do film thing. The next man we can't wait neither. I'm going to take good time people, because that's a corner right there, so I can't see around that. Them man got some kind of different vision. They can show them through hillside and them things there, so them can do it. See there, round the corner. Take good time on my cool here, people. I take good time. Now I make them road that get intimidate with. Let's see if we go around on a straight and know how it look. See if we can squeeze them time there, you know? Yeah. Still another car now. We can't squeeze it, people. Hold on. So wipe the glass too. As soon as we go around this car, the glass to me look kind of dusty. So we so wipe it too. Joker lifestyle, you know? Yeah. Kiara, come. I go squeeze, but Kiara, come. Alright, people. Yeah. So we pass the big truck. See it? We can overtake carefully. Now if we do it like them boy there. Go around corner, they go back up in the subway now. Like all the idiot here we are come down now. Blasted clap face, so I tell you. Just wait, man. Just wait, brother. And if you rush for your overtake, yo, you know people. Anyways, so people. Out of some bull be probably done, you know. Out of some 11 mile. I have 12 and 13 miles. But I don't know, you know. I'm not even sure. But normally when I do my bull beer video, them out of some done them, I end them. Right off in another area, I normally end them more while still. But I don't know. I'm going to wipe the glass a little there. Yeah, get rid of some of the dust there, you know. Yeah, man. People, so we are making way, we are taking time and make way. Why the man in the road? Oh, the road bad right there, so. Okay. Yeah, the road can have like a wheel in it, you know? So they might come over. I think our person of the bridge probably might carry you back to, you know. So yeah, the bridge would have probably end out of some people. Alright, big unit again. Yeah. Today a big unit Wednesdays. Whole heap of big unit, people. Alright, it's a piece of good road there now too again. Yeah, so the bridge link you back to right or so. Okay. You see what I go on? Yeah, so the bridge will carry you back right out there some people. So yeah, that's a go on, you know? Yeah. Nice piece of road this too, you know, people. Yeah, man. The road is nice, man. To my right, me I look over some people, me I look on the Caribbean Sea. Yo, it's pretty a fret. Just some people. All if, when I road are done, all if you're not on a business out of St. Thomas, you just need to take a little trip on the road, preferably in the evening hours. So take a trip, come out here, and then take another trip going in back when the sun has set, you know? That I go pretty. Trust me. So you take it like in the afternoon then, like, you know? Yeah, if you want, you know, if you don't want to encounter so much of the big truck then probably a Sunday would be a better drive. Like a Sunday afternoon, you just drive, you know? Yeah, St. Thomas a build big old shopping complex and something too, so you soon have reason to come out here. Yeah, told me here them are gonna do the road. I don't know if I don't know. I watch one thing with like, what I call it, maybe like a town hall or it was something. And some of the residents, them did, ask questions and share things with them here and where. Them just see clarification for what really go on with the development array. And a lady was there, she said she have a piece of land, like she said for her land, out of Marabay near the roundabout. So she was saying, she here said them are going to use for her land or use part of for her land. You know, and she that kind of worry because you are a house there or something, where them that said them are going to use was a house. Them have forgot basically lick down the house there. You understand? So she did kind of seek clarification, and when them attack and so me I hear say like overpass for bill and whole heap of things, and me I say yo that would have look good out there so. Because the only overpass we have right now are the one in our 3 miles area, you get me? That's like the only one that we have right now. So them carry that out there St. Thomas people, yo that would have nice. Nah lie to that. That would have been so nice, people. The road would have looked good and everything, you know? So a lady was just wondering because me say she have her land and her house and everything. You know, if anybody would have wonder too. Yeah, them are going to pay your feet and something to steal, but you know, you have to wonder, you know? Not because them are pay your feet. If you build a house, you know, still want nobody go lick it out. You get me? You build for living there. You never have build for selling. Or if you get money, fight like that, but yeah man, as I say about the plans them what them have out there, as I say I watch a little town all there and all heap of things they attack in it. Tonight, I not say it's a facts, but all heap of things attack people. And if I really say it's set up, trust me. Nah lie to you, it go nice, the road go nice. So it would have good for when the road done. You know, you just take a little trip come out here. Yeah, some work money to the right. I guess I'm gonna go around this too. See that too? So you're going to swing around the other side too, because them aisle this too for pave it too. So yes, I'm not going to use neither. And trust me people, that part here, me don't like that part here people. Especially if I go to St. Thomas and I come back at night. Me don't like around here so people, the road too bad. Be a dirt and dust that carry the stop to a big unit to come through there. Yeah, me don't like that part here people, honestly. Too much dirt and dust man, I want to go in that little bit people. Some man we are use the road, them very impatient in people. Yeah man, them impatient, they fret. You understand a road work go on, you have to have a little patience man. As long as it's not an emergency, just chill. And as I say, especially around the other side of people. I know around that's a name, for Grand Spinner or something. I don't know, I might be wrong. But I know around that's a name people, but I like around that's a people. This is my least favorite part. Too much dirt and dust man. Trust me, but yes, I got definitely bypass. All this I would have wasted mash up, so you know. Nobody now look on this. You're a big unit in the people, so try to take my time in a car. You're a big unit. I come. I look fit. Man, I drive like them not hear the truck. But I feel them real still. Let them do them thing. But yeah man people, as I say, I be a dust and dirt around here so. Be a dust people, be a dust. Oh man. So you see the truck? They're on the nether side. Watch your people look on dust and dirt. Yo! Now Wednesday I name Truck Wednesdays people. But not tell you the lie about that dirt and dust and big truck. Yo! Nothing but heavy duty vehicle people. Whenever you see what I go on. I'm starting. Yo! from starting of the video to rate people. But as I tell us, we do another part. I don't like running some people. My least favorite part is when I drive come out. Nah lie to you, that side is my least favorite part. So when them do the road and catch it back on you, so, yeah, I guess them are going to link it back through you, so. Alright, I'm going to link back up there so to my right. See there, yeah. So straight up there so I'm going to link back to people. Yeah, man. I can't wait for them done, especially that side there. Even you some more than the bridge, people, because trust me, can't. People, look out that sea. Yo, the coastline does nice. Why I love Jamaica. Trust me, I'm glad I saw me band. Big up and thing. Yeah. No place nice too, but when me live nice too. Nice, I'm glad. You see me? No for that place look good too and everything, but yeah. If it is when me never ever would I get for travel again, would I happy in my country. Nah, tell no lie, would I happy. You see me? Yeah, man. You're nice, see, alright? Eh? Yeah, man, I'm happy in my country, people. Honestly. People, I think Otis are supposed to Albion. I don't know yet, but remember. Yeah, enough time to come out here, I know, but just November. Enough places, you know, people. And some people have said to me, say, me drive past place and me never highlight this or me never highlight this. So, I real talk, yes, but sometimes, trust me, you have to remember some of the place there. Yeah, man, Albion, see one sign there, neighborhood watch for Albion, you know? Yeah. More big units. Watch those. there, you know, people. We're there same way, you know. Yeah, we just have to take a little time and shampoo, you know. Yeah. If St. Thomas people wash all in car, you know, like how you wash a car whether every week or whatever, and they wash their car, like probably clean out the inside, but you know, in the sense you wash it outside. Trust me, it make no sense, Papa. Make no sense. And as you know, we soon reach Yalas. Yeah, we soon reach Yalas, you know, people. See me? Yalas is your turn, my turn. It's going to let him round. Like a little pipe busting in the road here. Yeah. People, I have some YouTuber from out here we watch too, you know. Yeah, man like Big Soup and Eastside Media and Clarity Flex them, you know. Yeah. Why the man here do this? The madman. Him drunk. I make him a job. Man, him lick you down, you know, mommy. Man, him lick you down. The mommy not even look like she didn't see what I go on. Yeah, the man just cut through the gas station and cut, the road bad. Yo, you need to exercise patience on the road. Man, you need to tap foolishness and exercise some patience. Trust me. Yeah, we know taxi man them want to make money and we know the whole works, but exercise like patience, people. See you next one, man, overtake me too. Taxi man, he my big like watching. Man, never look at him. He need to bill, brother. See it? He need to bill. He might blow the man for him and break up. Man not break up, man not look at him. Man in him lane and drive the correct way you want to drive. He need to just chill out. Yeah, my niece them drop asleep, people. Little one drop asleep a long time. The bigger one just drop asleep. Well, apart the window there again, people, guys. Trust me, dusty. Say, people, so the mango them want to see me buy in the last video. Out of White House out there, so. mango them shaky people. Shaky. $1,000 bag, I'm gonna buy 2 bags and a little bit. Girl, we are telling me, boy, you know, lose half of me, man. You watch the video, is one I chat. Be a joke, mango them people. Right the mango them. Right now, it come like if I want some easy, and if I not go pick them from somewhere, I have to go just probably go buy it when I know say good, but the money is just expensive. Them people out there say them a pick be a green mango if I treat them. Green mango them a pick, them not fit, so them not ripe properly. You get me? Yeah, them not ripe. As me say, we ever broke them bad because we are buy from them. If we not buy from them, not nobody to sell. I never stop pick them. They have 5 little piece of asphalt to left. Yeah, because water commission did dig it up the side of the road them for lay a pipe and all these things, you know. So a little piece of asphalt left in the middle, so body want drive on it because it's smoother. But we're in a yellow area still right now, the people, yeah. Yellow community. Yeah man, that's how they are take time and shampoo same way, you know? Yeah. That is it, my people. That is it. You see people, what day here? Well, it's gonna be what day yesterday, but actually yesterday, you know, we have some little things for do and up and down on the road. And I say, alright, dash cam I go and run. People in the night when we reach home, I'm gonna pull up on my park. I say, make me take out the memory card out of dash cam, go put it on my hard drive, you know? When me check the dash cam, people, never record. Now record, and the road did really interesting yesterday, you know? When we did that on it, you know? Yeah, it did really a whole heap of little things did happen, and a whole heap of things. Me all have drive all uptown and them place there, and you know, see Jamaican SWAT team, them did out, I don't know where them go raid. I said maybe Augustown side them did go because I did there like Mona area I did there. I see them, you know, so I said maybe they might go Augustown side. See them, and one bag of things that go up on the road, people. One bag of things. Well, I'm drinking water. Yeah, all heap of things. I'm reach home, I'm pull up. Pull up. I'm look at me say right on the dash cam. Look. No recording. Nothing not record. I'm just laugh people. I'm just say, you know, it's just cycle. The road will always be there still, you know? So we just do it again. People, y'all as this, so you know them have little things where them sell soup and you know jerk this and jerk that and All of them little things that you see on the man on the side there, so yeah man, so anytime I go through Yalas, you so enough to stop and get the good thing them, you know? Yeah. Chairman yeah, a boar I go down with him chop. But anyways, the good thing them over here some people. Right us up on the left and on the right. Them places you get them stall you get the food them from and you know, yeah, liquor and little tea them from, you know? So if you drive through, come and St. Thomas for your drive out. Yeah man, you can stop at them party and get your soup and all heap of things people. The man them out here, you know? Yeah. It's like Corporal Squaddy them outside to do them thing, you know? Yeah. The sun up help out of that side there, people. Yeah, man. I wait them with the road still, you know. So the water the right so but well, as me say, it's good when them wet it still, you know. Yeah man, good when them wet it. As me say, the people them did just about for the frequency or how often them wet it. But yeah man, good when it wet, you know, hold on the dust. Yeah. And them can get the water from out of Roselle. You get me? Get the water from out of Roselle area with it. Wipe the glass again, people. A big unit behind me, you know. Yeah. if I rain and drip or if I that truck there flash off some of them little things there. We know now because the water wetty here done so. We see now. And if I mist come off of the wheel of that little lorry in front of me, you know? I want to know to my right hand side you have yellow span. Yeah, yellow span come with a little history, you know. Yeah man. Anybody know the history of yellow span, just drop in the comment section there, see it? Yeah, drop in the comment section people. Tell me what you know. Water truck, I wait up out this to again, people. Yeah. Water truck, I wreck. So maybe that's where the mist come from the water truck, right? They're right just in front of me. Reach out to Roselle me and see if we can stop and wipe off a glass of people. I know Roselle where the waterfall there, right? Yeah, water come out of the rock out there, so. Yeah. As me tell you, right, it's up on the right side of yellow span. Yeah, yellow span. So it's a body of water that's over there. Alright? Yeah. them stealing on the ground and them a take out the steel and a drive the car. Come a road bad boy. There must a reason why they steal them. Hey, Jamaicans on the road, you know. The man come out of him car, take out the steel them out of the ground, and I tell him friend to drive. Come a road bad boy, come a road. Oh God, I tell you Jamaicans, yo, we need for the better, you know, brother. What the unruly behavior for? I just wait your time over there, you know. If you can't pass, just wait till when the next clear can slide over. So they steal them there in the ground. You know, must have a reason why the man them have to steal them in there. You think of decoration? Steal them there, with some little thing pan them. I don't know what them is. The man take out the steal them. I mean, I tell you. People, the glass of this kind of look a little bit smudge, you know. So I don't know if it a show good. But I'm saying reach a Roselle, I'm gonna stop. Go stop and wipe it off. Only for big unit, they don't get some people. Only for truck. See water truck, you know. Taxi man again. Give more run up in a truck. Water truck, yeah. Watch your road, people. Watch it free. Watch the. Them to do it. I go on down there so truck overtake truck. People and them have good road with space. Don't I come up ahead for do them overtaking something. All them have to do just be patient and wait, you know. All them have to do just be patient and wait. That's all. I have some windscreen wash too. You know, for the wiper, for the windscreen. You have to throw it in at the buckle. So I can pull the bonnet and throw it in the people. So we can see if we can get the glass a little bit cleaner, you know? Yeah. And then how far that one I reach though. I mean it'll fire out like nothing there still. I'm gonna use some, throw some there. Overtake a come round the corner too. And bug up in a one taxi and ask the taxi, I say taxi man a blow, you know. But the funny thing is I saw them drive too, you know. And when nobody drive like them go on the most way on the road. Yeah. And that's how they drive. Can't bother with them taxi man. As you don't know, we have Roach Gully and them place they will come up, you know. Yeah. White horses too. White horses are where the mango them sell. And you know you have Roach Gully. A little turn there. But I say they not every parish. Every parish you travel in, you have one of them deep turn there. Yeah, every parish. Blow for. Just go on out, you know. If you don't see tractor come. Go on out there, 2 hours now, guys. 2 hours now, drive the same way. I come up, where you blow? See big truck on the tractor, where you go? Tractor man for scoop you up. That build where you force to go and you don't see tractor, like you don't see tractor. See the next one, yeah? You don't see car. One out there, but continue, go along, yeah. One. Oh, don't learn to drive. You okay, Kai? We just step on a go slow right now, people, due to the big unit them up ahead, but soon past them. That's how I say I'm gonna stop to soon. You know? Yeah. Next water truck that we just passed. Wait the place too. Those people. Why would I stop out there and wipe off the glass or something, but I hate dust. I stop in the dust here. So again, I apologize if the glass not show up. But soon deal with it, people. Soon deal with it. Alright? Yeah. Grab more ways to go up on the journey, so you know what I can say. Right now, this is a beer dust. And I carry man, he chuck back our truck. People, I wind up every window now. I hear the car rattle and all of that, but got the bad road. But yeah, so it go. Yeah, turn up the AC to cars, boy, the place hot. Remember the baby them in the car, so you know. Yeah. A section of dusty people. here come with beer those back of it. Dump up the road some more, grade it off and press it. Yeah. That's a go on, people, that's a go on. So like that steal away in the road. And them steal the man them a draw out. Yeah, only for work are going down that side there. Just hope you can see good. Nah lie. You look on the flag person, you have to stand up in the dust and she not have no mask. Where your mask? Where your mask? I'm mask, my friend. He does this, my friend. In a sense, I work for your money if you can't go get doctor. So she look in her bag like she look for her mask. Yeah, man. Need her mask, you know? He does this, man. And this too much for she in here. Just stick you want a fog light. Need a fog light. Don't have a fog light. For the medals, yeah. Yo. Serious. Alright, that's not too bad. You hear their car top rock up. Whoa. Out to see me and look again. Wow, yo, that's pretty, you know. Oh, that's pretty people. Yeah. What a nice one. Definitely have to stop at Roselle. This is something, guys. I can need a dust again, you know. Wind up back again. Why they chop them? Let me see. Oh, that's a nice people. Nice. Wind up you know we are come through. I have to big up the truck man them too, you know, people, because them are the bigger unit and them cautious on the roadside speed. Yeah, them a take them little time, you know. Yeah man, them a take them time. The mango didn't look tree bad enough, but boy, I'm tired to get beaten with the mango thing, me not like. I'm tired I beat with the mango them people. I'm tired Alright, so we approach Roach Gully now. Alright. Why? Try with the glass again. Hold on the people, I have a piece of paper. Hold on it. Can't wipe it. Can't wipe it, people. Can't wipe it. Can't reach it. That's a nice full of scene. Yeah man, that's a nice full of scene. Especially with them two trucks where I go up. Yeah. Nice full of scene, people. Trust me. My wife, my try people, my try, I hope it a show good. There's a spot right there. Can I get rid of that spot there? One I chuck them gone already. Oh no, it's still down there. Oh, so them I wait for down there so for clear. Yeah. See what I want. See what I want, people. See what I want. Alright, I can see what I'm going now. Flagman out there too. Alright, yeah, flagman have on him mask. Easy brother. Alright, just out here wicked, you know, so. Yeah, see there, brother can go on, people. Wait. So they must send we down here, so now. Oh, I used to drive up on a little piece there, you know. Must send we down in our gully, you know. Yeah, because we used to get up on the road up there, so. Let's cover. Alright, people. Yeah, because we used up to my left up there, so we are what we did use today, you know. But I guess, you know, based on the road work, yeah. Unit them I use up them on there. Roach Gully this name, people. Roach Gully. Yeah. Big unit them I use up them on up ahead there. Yeah. And boss man I come down one little van like you need for wall out. Yeah, big unit I come. Yeah. Need for wall out. Yeah, my people, so Roach Gully. Where am I do? Van man in the sea, what go on? I don't know, people, you see that? January. The truck start on the hill, so Carman I take with himself, people. Carman just want to go on. Yeah, man, you see me? A real pre, man. Real pre, when the truck them stop some people, a whole heap of things, you see me? Oh, see, I need a car right there, too. Yeah. You need the unit, them a come through now for wall out for the big unit. I want to do, man, now for wait. Big unit, them go through. But truck them kind of people, they easy to tap, and when they tap, they hard to move back, especially must tap on hill like that, you know, man. It's a roach gully, so normally would have come up right to some people. But them block it off, you know, because them have to work. Yeah, roach gully this name, people. Roach gully. See big unit a go around there? Yeah. Up and around. People, one day I'm going to do a tour, right? That's a walk, you know? Yeah, man. Come out, come capture the whole area, walk, go up it and walk, come down back, you see me? Yeah, man. Roach Gully this people, Roach Gully. See a big unit here come down to? And a play a thing on the side here people. Gully. Yeah, but we know somebody impatient, man. We know you have an impatient personnel, man. We know. Only for big unit, people. Yeah. So these are white horses right now within NP. Yeah, man, I saw them sell the Irish mash or sea mass. Sell the mango them. The East Indian mango them sell them $1,000 a bag. But them now make the mango them ripe properly people. Them one they look nice though. But them now make the mango them ripe properly start. Yo, John, I feel like way because East Indian mango my favorite thing, man. And when me get the mango them and me look upon the mango them and I see how the mango them stay, I say, yo, Jano, what a waste, man. And them even load the fruits them ripe, people. No, on the ice cream truck is that something playing music, alright? Look, see it playing the music, alright? From the speaker box. Is it here? Yeah, play the music. It's just an ice cream truck. Big unit, people. Yeah, man, this definitely named Truck Wednesdays, man. Stop again, little soup though. I wonder if we can count. We should have counted how much truck we pass, you know. A whole heap of truck. Yo, a truck Wednesday's for real, man. Definitely. Truck Wednesdays. Right now, when we do the thumbnail, I gotta type, I gotta put on the thumbnail a trucking journey. Yeah. Yeah, that. Watch out, we might overtake a go. What's here? Yeah, man, people, we gotta put anything we put for thumbnail, any picture, whatever. Caption on it. I gotta say a trucking journey. That make us say for that one of people. Go up in a seafood. Wait, mums. Come out and show legs. Wait, man, you know, man, mums, where you going with? Where am I going so far down the south? It's an axiom, man. You need to calm down in a brother, babe. Alright, still gotta stop at Roselle. Yeah, man, I make a little stop out at Roselle, man. I make sure I clean the glass, you know? Yeah. Dictionary would be. Where you might go? Watch out! That driver kick up beer dust. Mango them, I just want to buy them. Yeah, I'm just a family, man. Here at the mango she sell, man. Baby, see her out there. See her, yeah? She sell me right the mango them. See her there, she. Here at the mango she sell, man. And let me video about she beg me, but beg me 50. Where she that beg me $50? I don't even remember where she that beg me after she sell me right the mango them. So when you pack up mango, green mango in a bucket. I have trips on the water in front of me, you know, I can see through the tree them. I'm telling you. Look nice, man. Guys, you see the ocean? See it? Yeah, people, you know we approach Roselle Falls, you know. Yeah. Them do some paving out there, so yeah, man. You see it? The water? Yeah, see it, that's it, yeah. Yeah. Alright people, look at paving go on. You can have a little smoother journey right there, so. People, I gotta stop. Suppose I have one buckle in the back there. Go full up the buckle, chew up on this and then chew in my windscreen wash, you know? Yeah man, I gotta stop man. Stop right as a people and full of the back. Throw some water on this. So now look at that water running out of the rock. You see it? Yeah, water running out of the rock, yep. Stay, oh, stay. Get some water. Yeah, the water. You wanna see it? Wanna see it, Z? Okay, you wanna see it? Look over there. See it? That's the water, is it? Alright. Now wait up, man. She go wait up, people. That's what she now wait up. Alright, people, so we have to wind after class. But this is a popular spot where people come do them thing and, you know? Yeah, man. These are the Roselle Falls, people. So them say them are gonna keep it. Them say them are gonna keep it, you know? Them are gonna make sure say it is preserved and thing. Yeah, so them now go. Them now make it something there, what you call it? Them now block it up now, no. Them are keep it. So when the road done and everything, it's going to there same. Alright, people, so we're continuing for our little journey, you know. Continue for our journey, you know, people. Yeah. Continue for our journey now, people. If you look to the right, you can see the ocean. Yeah. Can you see out there? See the water? Yeah, it's nice, right? Yeah, isn't it? You see it? Yeah, it's nice. Yes. That's the Caribbean Sea, okay? Yeah, look right there. See, it's right there. Yeah, the sea. Okay? Yes, that's the Caribbean Sea, okay? People I'm telling you, I have a niece and thing with me, so I have two of them with me, so they know it go. Alright? Yeah, my people, so I'm a cool here. Out to go to St. Thomas roundabout now. Members, I tell you, they're driving different from the rest of them because we are going all the way up in a seafood. Alright? Yeah. All the way up in a seafood side we are going now, people. All the way up in a seafood. You know, we have to brush off the glass, so give thanks for who does beer with it little, you know? Yeah, I hope it crystal clear, you know. You know, we have the sea water and blow some mist on it. Yeah. Bus money and dirt. Shelly Road. Yeah. From town to Marant Bay, you know, people. That's the bus around, you know. Yeah. See me? Yeah, people. The whole of you saw the coastline. The whole of you saw the coastline, people. The whole of you saw. It's nice, man. When you see how the big man just come out, come take a trips and something. It look like him a foreigner still, you know? Yeah, man. Look like him a foreigner and thing. Big man just come wet up in a little of the spring water, you know, the alkaline water there. Yeah, who would tell him man gonna come out of the ice box? You see me? And I say, yo, we don't have this for me there, so might as well. Yeah. Yeah, my people, the place is nice. Hey, coastline beautiful, you know? You never see how the coastline beautiful, man. When you come to St. Thomas, I'm telling you, Roselle here right there, so my favorite part of St. Thomas when I drive, people. My favorite part. The coastline there, water run out of the rock right there, so. Yo, what could have nice than that? Only thing if you did have a little pool here where you could have go swimming in a river water there. Only thing. But we give thanks for it, it's there. Nice. Like it. You understand what you mean? Me like it. Yeah man, so we soon reach out of Marab Bay and we reach out then we're gonna go left, you know? Reach out a roundabout. Yeah, we're gonna go left. If you're there up on the journey with me from start and you're still there, yo, just remember to click the like button and me give thanks, you see me? Yeah, we give thanks. If you're there so long and you don't click the like button yet, you need to click on it because clearly you must like what go on. You see me? Yeah. So click on it, and if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, yeah man, you might want to subscribe. Subscribe to me man. You're part of the family officially man by subscribing, alright? Yeah. You know it thing go. Yeah man. Right, that little truck here look like it's a little premix. Yeah, they want a mass. You understand how I work out your sound and I wear mask. And I work in the heart of the dust. So I work the money for go get doctor. Yeah, I work it for get doctor. Yes. Eh? Yeah, it's a truck, you see it? Oh, yeah, your teeth, you brush your teeth? What? That's nice. That is so nice. You must brush it every day, okay? Alright? Watch your people. Choke up bunks. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, me see it, man, me see it. Yeah, we'll soon reach. Alright? Yeah. You're hungry now? Alright, we'll soon reach, okay? You have any snack in your bag? Oh, run at the back. Wow. Alright, we'll soon get there, okay? Yes, guy, we'll soon reach there, okay? Alright, people, I'm going around the little truck here soon, you know. Little premix truck here. Dirty back, right? Yeah. Beer does out there, so see, that's why, you know. Beer is very dusty. Alright, Chuck man, we rate out here just hold out, car. But if you pick up them Chuck man, they must see the road and see what go on, you know. Yeah man, them, trust me, the Chuck man them a drive better than the car man them. And the Chuck man them can drive dirty if them want people. Yeah, them could have drive bad if them want. And them a drive so better than the car man. So I have a shout out the Chuck man them for drive the. Yo, it's really a trucking Wednesday, people. It's a trucking Wednesday. Trust me, Chuck man them a drive good. Nah, like, them can see the road, so them a do the right thing, you know? Yeah. Them a do the right thing, people. Big up the Chuck man them. See a Chuck man you drive on the route, you big up yourself, I'm not telling a lie. Rate to know. So over here up on the left now, at the Farmer Goodyear Oval, but out there so them a build the big old complex and thing, you get me? Yeah. Yeah man, out there them a build it, people, you see me? Yeah man. Look a big shopping mall there over here, so them fi have the overpass. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's true, people. But proper road settings are going to go on out there, so. You get me? Because I guess them want, you know? Remember, you don't want to go buck up back in the Marambay traffic right beside the roundabout and things. So I guess them are going to try a thing to sort it out, you know? But whether or not, as I say, overpass or not, the road are going to fix out there, so it's going to go good. You see me? Yeah. Proper road I go there, people. Alright? Yeah. So we almost reach at the Marambay roundabout, you know, and you don't know that little party and yes, I always done all of my video them, you don't know. Yeah, I'm telling you a little more, but not today. We're going left and we're heading up to St. Thomas. Alright? Yep. Alright. Sorry, we're heading up to Seafoot. Because we in a St. Thomas, so we're heading up to Seafoot, people. Alright? Yeah. See the sign? Say Marambay 2, Seafoot 8 kilometers, and it's left, alright? So yeah, we keep it left, people. And I think Seafoot Road get little pavings too, you know, people. Yeah man. Seafoot Road no look tree bad, you know? Yeah, it used to grime it too, but man, them do the work out there so too, man. Yeah man, them do the work out here, man. Pavings go on and thing. I think you have a jelly man too on my way to Seafoot too, you know. Yeah, one time I did stop and you get a good jelly one time. That's a cottage pen. Okay. So yeah, man, I did stop one time and I get some jelly. And I think one river did there and something I say named Johnson River. Yeah. In the school there over here now. See, a Paul Bogle High School this. Try remember if I they have no good signage like school I wanna go out with. I'm big old sign for them to tell you how. They remember with school these people. People in the comment section we know what I go and make me know. School they were there so when you go up a Seafoot. I wait name. Nice people. See me? Yep. Good, nice and thing. I think when we reach up at the little split right there, so I think we keep left. Yeah. Yeah man, I think we keep left, man. Stony cut right. Corona saw seafood, people. Yeah. So what we actually go, people, we actually go in a scheme. If you're familiar with seafood, you know where the clinic there, you have a scheme somewhere there around there. So and the direction there we are going, my people. You get what me I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. And that's how we are going. You get me? Yeah. My glass dusty and dirty again, but I wipe it off and thing and thing. You know that part they go. You get me? Yeah, man. So you want to stop and everything. Me that try to open the bonnet, but I don't know for some reason the bonnet not open. But I can see what I go at the pre 100% and see what I go on with it when time I reach me. You see me? Yeah, man. See jelly, man, yeah? Yeah, when me come back, I see if I get a one jelly from him, you know? Yeah. We've been on a journey for a while now, though. So we just want to catch where we are going, you know? Yeah, we will come back now. We can stop a jelly, man. Drink a jelly and thing. Yeah. Eat with my lunch, because I did already get some lunch earlier. Yeah, before we start the journey, we need to get some lunch. Yeah, because I know say I never did a good, lunchtime. I'm not familiar with St. Thomas, so I don't know which part of good food there. Alright, people. I can see what I go on. Here. Try to get you on a scheme, you know. And this another road there. Another road further up, yeah. Further up. Make a left turn for Corona Clinic there. Yeah. Lower York. And a little river there all near to which part me I go to, you know. Yeah, but today another day there. You know, yeah, today another day there. Just drop off my niece them. You know, them spend little time with them auntie and you know them cousins and things. As I say, you know, say a little holiday this, so yeah. That's the thing there. You get me? I wonder if I pass the way. I wonder if I pass the turn. Oh people, I should have plug in the GPS. I wonder, I should have plug in the GPS, people. Just ride across the road, so I sit down here, so alright, this are the turn, people. Yes, supposed to this get you around a clinic side. Yeah, man. I hit this, man. Yeah. Alright, my people, so I'll come on the side, that's how I cut the grass, you know. Yeah. But overall, my people, the journey about to come to a close, you know. Yeah, man. Journey about to come to a close, you know, you understand? Yeah. And if you're there from its start to the end, just want to say big up yourself and give thanks for journey with the youths, them, you understand? Yeah. As me telling you in the beginning, oh, watching them, they get for big up. I never get for call a day, but I did a day. When I do a live session, I will big up. Alright, soon do a live, real soon. Another day. So I just say, yo. I say, big up on yourself, my people. I give thanks for journey with me, you understand? Yeah, man. It's always a pleasure and a joy. New people, big up on yourself. I can't stop saying so. Subscriber, them a grow steadily. And I appreciate it. I can't stop telling you that how much I appreciate it. You see me? So big up on yourself when you don't know the thing. You see me? Yeah, man, the clinic that right there are head away. Right there are the clinic, people. Right there are the clinic. So bless up on yourself. See there in front of it? Yeah, that's the clinic. Seafood clinic. Bless up on yourself. When you don't know the Rabba and Jamaican, 876 by birth. Go and go check out my other channel that I always telling you about. See? Bless up on yourself, my people. And as usual, I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.